Some people tackle plumbing problems like it's nothing, while the rest of us just stare, confused. It's not magic, it's better tools. Plumbing gear has gotten smarter over the years, but most of us only notice when something breaks. Luckily, Amazon is full of new plumbing tools that make fixes faster, cleaner, and far less stressful. We dug through the options and found the ones that actually save time, money, and headaches. Ready to upgrade your toolbox? Here are the best picks worth getting. Pushfit fittings are great until you need to remove one without cutting the pipe. The iCrimp Disconnect Tong CRQ01 fixes that with ease. Made for copper, CPVC, and PEX push-to-connect fittings, it presses the release collar evenly so the pipe slides out smoothly. No twisting, prying, or damage. Perfect for slightly off cuts, repositioning fittings, or reconfiguring a line. It saves pipe and components from being wasted. Its compact design works well under sinks or inside walls, making tricky spots simple to handle. Small, affordable, and practical, this tool adds serious flexibility to any push-fit plumbing setup and quickly pays for itself if you work with these fittings often. Cutting PVC or plastic pipe is just the start. The rough edges left behind can make fittings tricky and weaken glue joints. The Misurel PVC pipe reamer kit cleans those edges fast and easily. Each reamer fits a specific pipe size, smoothing both the inside and outside into a gentle chamfer that helps fittings slide on and solvent cement spread evenly. It's perfect for saw cuts, which are rarely clean, and saves time and headaches by preventing slow leaks later. Quick, simple, and effective, this kit feels like a small addition until you realize how much it protects every joint. Working under a sink is always tricky thanks to hidden faucet nuts in impossible spots. The GrenPro Basin wrench makes it easier with a long shaft and pivoting head that reaches behind the sink and grips mounting nuts directly. Its jaws tighten as you apply force, making stubborn or over-tightened hardware easier to handle, while the telescoping handle adds reach without losing leverage under deep countertops. It takes a little patience to position, but it beats forcing a regular wrench into tight spots. For faucet installs, replacements, or stopping a spinning base, this tool turns a frustrating, awkward task into something much more controlled and predictable. A broken pipe stuck inside a fitting can turn a simple fix into a major headache. The Pilispark pipe extractor tool tackles this problem by gripping the inside of the broken pipe instead of the outside, letting you remove it without damaging the female threads. Once in place, you turn it with a wrench or ratchet until the piece loosens and comes free. The kit includes multiple sizes to cover common household pipe diameters. It takes patience and steady pressure, and it won't save every severely corroded fitting, but when it works, it avoids hours of cutting, replacing, and opening walls. For older plumbing systems where parts are hard to find, this tool helps preserve existing plumbing instead of starting from scratch. Cutting copper pipe in tight spots can be frustrating, especially when traditional cutters need constant adjustment. The HAUTMEC Pro automatic copper tube cutter handles a single pipe size with precision, clipping around the pipe and using a spring-loaded mechanism to keep the cutting wheel tight as you rotate. With each turn, it tightens automatically, so you don't have to stop mid-cut to adjust a knob. Perfect for cramped or overhead work. It only fits half-inch pipe, but that size is common in residential plumbing, making it highly practical. For repetitive cuts in tight spaces, it simplifies the job and leaves clean, square ends that help fittings seat and solder consistently. Getting perfect crimps on press-style copper systems can be tricky, but the iCrimp IWS 1832AF makes it straightforward. This manual press tool works with specific copper press fittings, and interchangeable jaws let it handle multiple pipe sizes with one body. Long handles provide the leverage needed to complete presses without electricity or batteries, making it handy in tight spaces or unfinished areas. It does require physical effort compared to powered tools, but it offers reliable, repeatable results for smaller jobs or as a backup when batteries run out. Used with compatible fittings, it produces clean, uniform crimps, making it a practical choice for anyone seeking press-fit reliability without going fully electric. PEX plumbing is great for flexibility and efficiency, but poor crimps can cause leaks fast. The iCrimp PEX crimping toolkit makes every connection more reliable. Interchangeable jaws cover common PEX sizes, so you don't need multiple crimpers cluttering your toolbox. The ratcheting mechanism delivers consistent pressure on every crimp, keeping fittings secure whether you're building manifolds, running supply lines, or connecting fixtures. A crimp ring removal tool lets you fix mistakes without cutting long sections of tubing. For beginners and pros alike, this kit reduces guesswork and boosts confidence, turning what usually feels tricky into a repeatable, dependable process. It's a smart investment for anyone working with PEX regularly. Big pipe wrenches have power, but forget trying to use them in tight spots like under sinks or behind toilets. The Knipex Cobra XS water pump pliers pack serious grip into a tiny 4-inch tool. Its self-locking jaws clamp hard on nuts, fittings, and small valves, while the push-button adjustment makes it simple to set the jaw width without constant fiddling. Hardened teeth prevent slipping, even on rounded or stubborn hardware. Compact enough for a pocket or pouch, these pliers shine for quick adjustments where a full-size wrench can't fit. Once you start using them, the Cobra XS quickly becomes one of those small tools you wonder how you ever lived without. Open drain lines can cause unexpected messes when water, debris, or tools disappear into them. The Oatey 33403 plastic plug is a simple solution for sealing 4-inch DWV openings during testings, rough-ins, or temporary shutdowns. It fits snugly into compatible flanges and clean-out openings, creating a tight seal to stop water where it shouldn't go. Perfect for pressure tests or inspections, it also keeps dirt, screws, and construction debris out of the drain, saving time and hassle. Durable enough for the job site but easy to remove, this plug isn't flashy, but it protects your work, prevents mistakes, and keeps plumbing projects cleaner and more controlled from start to finish. Angle stop valves under sinks and behind toilets are tough to reach and tricky to tighten. The Laisgoo angle stop wrench kit solves that by fitting into cramped spaces where hands and regular tools fail. Each wrench head grips valve bodies and compression nuts securely, letting you apply controlled torque without damaging the valve, perfect for older shutoffs that need to be reused. The kit comes with multiple sizes, so it works across different fixtures in the house. Instead of guessing or risking slipping pliers, it provides clean contact and confidence. For installations or replacements, this tool saves time and frustration, making those awkward, hidden valves far easier to handle. Clogged drains are a common headache, and hand snakes can be slow and tiring. The MEISTERFAKTUR Drain Snake 2 turns your drill into a powerful drain clearing tool, letting the flexible cable spin through hair, soap scum, and buildup much faster than manual cranking. It works on sinks, tubs, and showers, making it perfect for everyday household clogs without harsh chemicals. A protective guide keeps the cable centered, preventing scratches or damage, and the included storage system keeps everything neat and tangle-free. Compact and easy to use, this tool adds speed and muscle to routine drain cleaning, turning a dreaded chore into a quick, manageable task for homeowners and pros alike. Soldering copper pipes can be slow and tricky, especially with an open flame in finished spaces. The ROGVOC Propress tool offers a faster, safer solution, using press fittings to create secure connections at the push of a button. Its cordless, brushless motor applies consistent pressure every time, cutting down the risk of bad joints or rework. Multiple jaws handle common pipe sizes, so one tool covers a wide range of jobs. The ergonomic handle gives control in tight spots or overhead, and by removing the need for flames, flux, or cooling time, installations become faster and cleaner. While it's an investment, the time savings, reliability, and safety make it a must-have for serious DIYers and pros working with press-fit plumbing systems. Most plumbing jobs eventually call for reliable pump pliers, and the Klein Tools D50410B handles that role perfectly. Its adjustable, multi-groove jaws fit a wide range of nuts, fittings, and valves without constant repositioning, while cross-hatched teeth grip stubborn hardware securely. At 10 inches, it balances leverage and control, sliding into tight under-sink spaces while still delivering usable torque. Soft finishes can be marked if you're not careful, but for general gripping and turning, these pliers are dependable. They don't replace specialty tools, but they bridge the gap between oversized wrenches and small adjustable tools, making everyday plumbing adjustments feel smoother and more controlled. PEX systems with stainless steel cinch clamps usually need two tools, but this 2-in-1 Ratchet PEX crimping tool handles both tightening and removal in one. The ratcheting mechanism ensures every clamp is fully secured before releasing, preventing under-crimped connections, while the removal feature lets you fix mistakes without cutting clamps blindly. Built for common cinch clamp sizes, it fits most household PX work without much adjustment. It can feel a bit bulky in tight spots, and ratcheting takes longer than a quick squeeze, but the consistent results make up for it. By reducing the number of tools needed, it keeps your workflow cleaner and simpler, making regular PX work, repairs, and adjustments more predictable and easier to manage. Metal wrenches can easily damage polished plumbing parts, and the Smart Jerry rubber strap wrench solves that problem. Its wide rubber strap wraps around pipes, filters, and fixtures, applying even pressure as you turn the handle, protecting chrome, plastic, and decorative surfaces from scratches. It also grips irregular shapes that standard wrenches struggle with. While it doesn't deliver the same raw torque as steel tools, it's perfect for traps, filter housings, and faucet components. Best used alongside other tools, it provides a controlled way to turn parts without risking cosmetic damage, making it a smart addition whenever appearance and surface protection matter. Marking center lines and angles on round pipes is trickier than it seems, and the Anblak magnetic pipe center finder helps eliminate the guesswork. Magnets hold it firmly in place while you mark center points or set angles, turning curved surfaces into a stable reference. It's ideal for branch connections, drilling holes, or aligning saddles, and the adjustable design works across different pipe sizes for extra flexibility. It takes a little setup and careful positioning, but that effort pays off by reducing mistakes and rework. For layout-heavy plumbing or pipe fitting, this tool adds consistency and helps get things right the first time, even on tricky curved surfaces. Even with valves closed, a slow drip can ruin a repair, and the Sumglicie Pipe Water Stopper Kit handles that problem. The tools insert into copper pipes and expand to temporarily block water flow, keeping solder joints dry and fittings clean. It's perfect when valves don't fully seal or isolating a section isn't easy. The kit comes in multiple sizes to fit common household piping. It takes a little practice to seat properly and isn't for permanent use, but when it works, it saves time and frustration. Instead of waiting for lines to drain or fighting slow leaks, this kit lets you stay in control and keep repairs moving smoothly. Cutting copper or thin pipe often ends with crooked edges or crushed ends, but the Knipex TubiX pipe cutter changes that. Compact and precise, it delivers clean, straight cuts on copper, brass, and thin stainless steel with minimal effort. The smooth, telescopic feed keeps the wheel perfectly aligned, while the built-in deburring tool cleans the inside edge immediately, protecting O-rings and ensuring fittings seal properly. A quick-change cutting wheel makes swapping blades fast when they dull. Perfect for tight plumbing spaces and repeated use, this cutter saves time and removes the guesswork, making it a must-have for anyone tired of recutting pipes or dealing with uneven edges. Joining pipes can slow down any plumbing job, but XFITTING Pushfit fittings make it simple. They connect copper, CPVC, or PEX pipes with a quick push, no flame, glue, or special skills needed. A stainless steel grab ring holds the pipe securely, while an O-ring creates an instant watertight seal. Perfect for fast repairs when time matters, they can also be removed with a disconnect tool and reused if alignment isn't perfect. Lead-free and safe for potable water, these fittings deliver reliable connections quickly, making them a smart choice for DIYers and pros alike. Replacing a faucet is usually slowed down by those stubborn mounting nuts hidden behind the sink, and the RIDGID Easy Change faucet wrench fixes that. Its long, slim body reaches tight spaces where normal wrenches can't, while specially shaped ends grip nuts and supply lines securely to reduce slipping. A protective plastic insert keeps finished surfaces safe, and the metal core delivers real torque for stuck hardware. It turns a frustrating, knuckle-busting job into something controlled and manageable, perfect for DIYers who don't want to buy a bunch of specialty tools. Once you try it, faucet installs and replacements suddenly feel way easier, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. That wraps up our roundup of new plumbing tools on Amazon that are worth getting. Grab them while you can. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more, and drop a comment telling us which tool you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching.